Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix the script hook critical error of GTA 5. First of all, you go to the placement of GTA 5 and then search for file deadpoot 8 and go for it and cut it or delete it. Uh, do what you want. So I'm gonna delete it. After that, I'm gonna launch GTA 5 and let's see. Let's wait a little bit. Let's wait a little bit for the launch of GTA 5. It's connected to Rockstar Games Services. Let's wait a little bit. And boom, it the GTA 5 opened very well, I think. Yes. Nice. Thank you guys and goodbye.